Hello everyone, this is Madhvi here and welcome to Konkan Flavors. Living away from home, you always try and look for ingredients, dishes which are close to what you have been eating growing up. And today I have got you a fish called Bronzino, also known as European sea bass, and it is very close to a fish I have grown up eating called sanak, which is found in the Konkan region of India. And I'm going to make a fish curry out of it today. So let's see how it is done. So here I have a Bronzino cut into steaks, and I'm adding some salt and turmeric to it and keeping it aside. For the curry, I have 1 cup of fresh coconut, half a tablespoon of whole pepper. I have a slice of onion here and tamarind and Atamba masala, which are used to impart sourness to a dish, very specific to Konkan region. A piece of ginger and some dry red chilies, two cloves of garlic, and some turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander. We'll grind this all into a fine paste. Add around maybe a cup of water or as needed, and make sure it is ground finely. Our base is ready and we'll get to the cooking. Add coconut oil to a hot pan. Add a piece of finely chopped onions. Let it fry for 1 or 2 minutes and add the ground paste and add a little more water. This looks thick, and let it cook it for a minute or two, and then we'll go ahead with adding the fish. So we'll start by adding the fish and try and put it in a 1 layer in the pan and let it cook for around maybe 8 to 10 minutes, and give it a stir in between to make sure it's not sticking at the bottom. Also, I add a little bit of coconut milk to my fish curry because I usually get just the frozen fresh coconut here, so that adds to the flavor. Please do try this tip. And here the fish curry is ready.